Welcome to Pro OJA, the productivity tech pack, transforming productivity in the lightweight compact utility four-wheel drive market. Pioneering features to maximize the potential of tractor and farm. Revolutionary new driver controls, helping farmers to do more with less. One tractor for multiple applications. Pro OJA pioneering features are rewriting the rules, saving time and bringing efficiency in every field application, driving up accuracy in every row, saving pesticides, fertilizer, and fuel, revolutionizing comfort in long working hours, reducing costs of fuel with rugged performance. Working in dark hours has never been comfortable like this. Pro OJA is setting the standards, bringing down costs, delivering more power, and shining brighter. With Pro OJA on board, so much more is possible. Welcome to technology that is transforming farming. Pro OJA. Transform farming.